Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gladitech. Today I'll be showing you how to ban someone on TikTok. There are even different reasons why you can ban someone on TikTok. For example, maybe if the person you don't like the person's content on TikTok, you can ban the person on TikTok. Okay, for what you do is like this account now. If I want to ban it on TikTok, this is what I will do. Arrow at the right corner of the screen, upper right corner, I'll tap on it. If I want to ban this person, you see report, tap on report. Reports. Okay, select accounts. I will select the first option there. These are different reasons why I should ban the person and report on my TikTok. But let me take the first one and select any of them. Let me just select this one and let me take the first one. Then if I submit, okay, done, it's now on review. So this person, after reviewing it, TikTok will handle it if they will ban the person or not. This banning of report on TikTok can only be possible if this account have several reports like this on TikTok. That way TikTok will ban the person from having access to his or her TikTok account. So guys, that is on how to ban someone on TikTok. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment at the comment section.